Howdy there, folks. Today we're talking about a natural garlic recipe for removing those pesky warts. You don't need pricey chemical treatments to get rid of warts. This simple, all-natural remedy uses just 2 ingredients and is highly effective. While it often works on the first try, you might need to repeat the process a few times to fully remove the wart. This easy remedy is a natural way to tackle warts at home. The recipe makes 1 treatment. What you'll need is 1 garlic clove and 1 vitamin E capsule or an all-purpose salve to protect the skin around the wart. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the garlic. Smash and peel the garlic clove. Step 2. Protect the skin. Pierce the vitamin E capsule and apply the oil to the skin around the wart. Be careful not to get it on the wart itself. Step 3. Apply the garlic. Place the smashed garlic clove directly over the wart and secure it with an adhesive bandage. Step 4. Wait. Leave the bandage on for 24 hours. When you remove it, you should see a blister forming. Avoid touching the blister. Within about a week, the wart should fall off. Step 5. Repeat if needed. If the wart hasn't come off after a week, repeat the treatment. If there's no improvement after 2 treatments, consult a doctor or dermatologist for further help. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, show you the way to live life better day by day.